Good morning, dear.
Good morning, Mom.
What are your plans today?
I am free today.
Do you want to go shopping with me?
Yes, that sounds great.
Are you ready?
Yes, let's go. The weather is very nice today.
Yes, it is a beautiful day.
I love shopping days. Me too. The mall looks big.
Yes, many stores are inside. Wow, it is busy today.
Many people are shopping. I also want a new dress.
Then we will visit a clothing store. Let's go to the clothing store.
Okay. Look at these dresses.
They look beautiful.
I like this red dress.
It is very nice.
Do you like it, Mom?
Yes, I do.
I will try it on.
Take your time.
Okay. Mom, how do I look?
You look wonderful.
Hello.
Hello?
Now we need groceries.
Yes, let's go.
Let's buy tomatoes.
And carrots.
We also need apples. Apples. I know you do.
This one looks perfect.
Our basket is full. Yes, we bought many things.
Did you find everything?
Yes, thank you.
These bags are heavy.
I will help you.
Today was fun.
Yes, it was.
Thank you for the dress.
You are welcome.
I enjoyed shopping with you.
I enjoyed it too. Let's cook dinner now.
Yes, I am hungry.